So one of the four biggest garden myths is that potato towers that you see oftentimes on Pinterest, that you can grow 100 pounds of potatoes in 4 square feet.
Well, this is a big myth because there's no way that the way it's designed is you build a box 2 foot by 4 foot, so you have 4 square feet. 2 by 4s is the corner post. Then you have like 3-inch slats that as the potato tower develops or the potatoes grow, you put these slats or you nail these slats on, and then you backfill with compost or soil. And then as the potato grows or the vine grows, the theory or the misconception is that everywhere that stem will touch soil, more roots will develop and more tubers will form. Well, that's simply not the case. There is no potato known to man that will do such a thing. They will develop in a certain depth of the potato, 6-7 inches at maximum, at the base of the plant, like where you plant the actual seed potato. And beyond that, the vine can grow 30 feet, and it doesn't matter how much soil you put on it or where it's around. It's not going to develop any more tubers. You'll see hundreds of videos online about building potato boxes. Oh, we're going to have a great year. You have a couple of dozen of failures, and you never have any success ones because it doesn't exist. You can do this in a certain parameter. If you did a layer of potatoes, they sprouted, you put soil over top of those, then you put another layer of potatoes, then you have more of a chance. But these all potato boxes that you see online is the premise of one layer of potatoes at the base and then no more potatoes. And that's not how the potato plant even develops tubers. You'll see these potato towers that are made out of fencing where you have the 4-inch holes and they pack it with straw and soil, and multiple holes have multiple potatoes. That's a totally different thing. That's not that produces more potatoes in a very small area, but a traditional potato box doesn't exist, and there's no functionality and no proof, and the science behind it doesn't show that it does.